All right, so here we are at question number 41. This is Joe Brownlee with Palm Beach State College, and you are watching the Intermediate Algebra Final Exam Review Series. And the directions for number 41 are: use the rules of exponents to simplify the expression, write the answer with positive exponents, assume that all variables represent positive real numbers. All right, number 41. And they give us r to the 1/6 times s to the 1/6. And they raise that to the second power. All right, so I see that we have exponents, and I see that some of those exponents are fractions. But let's talk about what happens when we just raise, let's say, x squared to the fourth power. Well, again, like we reviewed earlier in the series, when we have a power to a power, we multiply the powers together, don't we? So x squared to the fourth is x to the eighth, because 2 times 4 is 8. So we're going to do the exact same thing here, except when we have a power to a power, one of the powers happens to be a fraction, but that's not a big deal. We can deal with that. So really, this is saying 1/6 times 2. So 1/6 times 2, but we can write 2 as a fraction, can't we, as 2/1. And when we multiply fractions, we just go from left to right. We don't worry about common denominators or anything like that. And so we have 1 times 2, well, that gives me 2. And 6 times 1, well, that gives me 6. But this can be reduced, can it? 2/6 is the same as 1/3. And so when I take r to the 1/6 and raise it to the second power, it comes out as r to the 1/3. All right, well, now I'm going to raise s to the 1/6 to the second power. So again, if I'm dealing really with the same 1/6 and raising it to the second power, I'm going to get the same answer, aren't I? But we'll go through the process anyway, right? So 1/6 times 2, but 2 we can write as 2/1. We don't worry about anything, no common denominators or anything. 1 times 2 gives me 2, 6 times 1 gives me 6, but that can be reduced to 1/3. And so when we raise s to the 1/6 to the second power, it comes out as s to the 1/3. And that is our final answer. All right, so again, when we are raising a power to a power, power to a power, power to a power, we multiply the two powers together. All right, this was question number 41. That was quick, easy, painless. Let's go ahead and move on to question number 42. Again, this is Joe Brownlee with Palm Beach State. Thanks for watching.